Emerson Quiet Cool Window Air Conditioner with remote control is the perfect air conditioning solution for your home or office. They have a precise electronic control panel with large blue LED display. They also come with remote control, rolling caster for easy portability, providing 3-in-1 functions including cooling, moisture removal, and fan modes. All models include a reusable washable filter as well as a quick mount kit for easy installation. You can use Eco Mode to reduce your energy bill or use Sleep Mode for a quiet sleeping night. A 24-hour programmable timer allows you to preset the time to turn on or off the machine. You'll also enjoy low-voltage startup to conserve energy and save money, plus convenient auto restart in case of a power failure. Emerson Quiet Cool Window Air Conditioners use high-efficient compressors and motors to reduce noise to the minimum level, bringing consumers a more comfortable experience. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Quiet cooling. This 5000 BTU window air conditioner efficiently cools up to 150 square featuring at 52 decibels. This unit is among the quietest in the industry, making it ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, apartments, and any other environment. Number 2. Smart Fit sizing. With dimensions of 16 inches width by 12 inches height, this Emerson Quiet Cool Window Air Conditioner was designed with smart fit dimensions, meaning it will fit any 23 inches to 26 inches window you have. Included foam insulation with help you retrofit your sleeve to this new design. Don't have a sleeve? Remember to check the dimensions prior to purchasing. Number 3. Programmable timer and sleep mode. Integrated 24-hour timer can be set via onboard controls or remote control. Intelligent sleep mode takes it one step further by slowly adjusting the temperature and fan speed to keep you comfortable overnight while saving you energy and money. Number 4. Exclusive 1-2-5 warranty. Your Emerson Quiet Cool Wi-Fi enabled air conditioner comes with an industry-exclusive 1-2-5 warranty that covers 1 year of labor, 2 years of parts, and 5 years on the compressor. Buy and use with confidence. Number 5. Split air exhaust vents. 2 air exhaust vents, instead of 1. Combine with 3 fan speeds to give you 8-way flexibility to direct the flow of cold air where you want it when you want it. Number 6. A digital control panel allows you to access all settings, with a large blue LED display for easier reading. Number 7. The full-function remote control makes it easy to change settings from across the room. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.